In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Teams meeting in New Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left here and you want to click on the calendar, and then from here you want to click on a new event in the top left. Now when you do this, of course, you want to give it a title, so I'm just going to type in tutorial event like this, and you want to of course select the required attendees. I'm going to add myself like this. Okay, and of course you can add multiple if you want to, and then just select over here the time and stuff like that. I'm actually going to put it on the 25th over here, just like this. It is, if it's going to let me, there we go, at 11 p.m. for example. And then what you have to do here, which is very important, you want to toggle on Teams meeting. Okay, so if you toggle this on over here, it's actually going to create a Teams meeting as well. So of course if I turn it on and I'll click on the send button, it's going to of course show it in here. So it's going to show it inside your calendar, and then whenever you of course are inside your calendar, you'll be able to then click on that specific event, and then of course it's going to kind of pop up the Teams meeting. So if I click on this one, which I created for example like this, I can just click on the join button, and of course it's going to join, or I can click on join Teams meeting. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to open up my Teams meeting in my Teams. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.